For many businesses, managing teams can be a real challenge, particularly if you're part of a mobile workforce. In this video, I'll take a look at an employee management and time tracking app that connects to Xero. In fact, it's one of the top rated apps on the Xero App Store. So let's take a look. Today, I'm looking at Connecteam, who've sponsored this video. Connecteam is an all-in-one app, which means it's all you need for managing, training, and communicating with your employees. It does so much, but in this video, I'll focus on Connecteam's excellent time tracking feature. Here's Connecteam. Employees can clock in and out easily. Tap Time Clock. The app uses GPS to find your location. Tap Clock In and choose what you're working on. It's as easy as that. If you're managing staff, you have full visibility over who's clocked in and where from. Notice the Admin tab. This is just for managers. When a manager taps Time Clock on the admin screen, they see all users currently clocked in. This means you can be confident that everyone is where they're supposed to be. To end the shift, just tap End Shift. You can confirm your hours, or if you need to, let's say you forgot to clock out until a little bit later, you can edit your shift. Adjust the start or end time. Add a note. And send for approval. Your manager instantly receives a notification. They can click into it and they can approve your request. Connecteam integrates with payroll software such as Gusto, QuickBooks, and of course Xero. If you're using Xero Payroll in the UK or Australia, there's a direct integration. This means information such as organisation details, users, earning rates and leave types flow from Xero into Connecteam. And timesheet working hours and paid time off hours flow from Connecteam into Xero. Check out Connecteam's Xero integration page, which shows you in detail how to quickly set up the integration and how it works. If you use Xero Payroll in other regions, there's currently no direct integration, but you can easily export your timesheets and upload them into Xero. And now for some really good news. Connecteam is free for small businesses with up to 10 users. If you have more than 10 employees, there's a 14-day free trial, so you can check it out to see if it's right for you. You can see how using a digital, automated time tracking tool like this can help reduce errors and save time. So why not give it a try? I signed up for a free trial, it was quick and easy, and I didn't need to enter any payment information. You can click the link in the description and try it out yourself for free. I'd love to know what you think. Thanks for watching.